to my channel. Today I am very excited to show you the products that I purchased from Sephora PH. And here it is. This is a very huge box. It's my first time to order from the app, and when the delivery came, I was shocked because the box was so huge. We're gonna go ahead and see what's inside this box. Let's do the unboxing now. Let's just get some cutter and I'm sure you're excited as well. Okay, so here it is. Let's open them one by one. And papers. It's really packed properly. So here are the things that I ordered from Sephora. First is the Frosted Party Advent Calendar. So this is what Sephora had in their website. It has 24 doors that we will be opening by next month, December. So guys, you better watch out for it. Because every day in December, we will be opening one door and it will reveal something or a beauty product, a skincare from Sephora. I'm so excited to do the opening of doors in this Advent calendar. Next that I have here is Pixie. Wala na kasi akong masyadong eyeshadows ngayon na bago, kaya I wanted to get one from Pixie because I love their product. And this one has a liner and a few shadows. So this is from Pixie. What else did I buy? Very cute Sephora brushes. Eye brush set. It comes with a glittery pouch inside. It's very pretty. I also have here the Mario Badescu, whatever, but it is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm excited to try this. And what else do we have here? Oh, another lipstick from Pixie. This is Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip Color in the shade Au Naturel. Let's try to open this. Pixie. Ay, sorry pala for my nails. Wala pa akong time to have it polished again. So this is a very neutral color. It's kind of peachy, corally, good for everyday wear. We'll be swatching that in a while. Ano pa ba nandito sa loob ng malaking box? Some samples. Benefit? Yeah. Professional primer. It's a small sample. Then we have the Sephora Fondantine Perfection 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. It's also a sample. Another sample from Becca. Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And it has 3 shades. 3 sample shades. And what is this? First Light Priming Filter. It's good that Sephora has free samples so that we'll be able to try naman the products that they are offering. And kung gusto natin, then in the next purchase, we can buy the full size na of the product, diba? So it's like a strategy that they are. This is also a gift from Sephora app. If you're a first timer ordering in their app, they are giving away something like this. It's a small tray. Maybe you can put your bracelets, your jewelry, or even your lipsticks. A tray with gold trimmings, and it has the word Sephora. And it's glass. Another free item that I got from Sephora is this beauty pouch. Ganda nito, oh. Para siyang bigay kit na you can put all your cosmetics inside if you travel. White, tapos there's the gold zipper. It's white and black stripes. It has the word Sephora. And it has a few compartments inside. Perfect for traveling. And last but not the least would be the Sephora collection tote bag. This is a free bag actually because I bought a skincare from Sephora. I think that it was the Mario Badesca skincare. So if you get anything under their skincare category, they will be giving you a Sephora collection skincare tote. So I guess that's all that's inside this very big box. Here are the products that I got. Again, the brushes, the glamorous brushes, eye brushes, the Pixie eyeshadow and eyeliner, the advent calendar, the facial spray, the samples, and the lipstick, the Pixie lipstick that we will be trying now. It smells good. It smells like candy. It's good. Look at the applicator. So I will just swipe it here. And look how pretty the color is. So again, the shade is Au Naturel. It's extreme long wear and comfortable. This rosehip oil infused liquid lipstick quickly sets to a matte veil. Quick dry, long wear, paraben free, not tested in animals. So it's a good lipstick. Full on color all day pala siya. I will be doing a review on this Pixie Matte Last Lip color very soon on this channel, so stay tuned. So guys, again, yung advent calendar natin, sabay-sabay natin siyang i-open this coming December. So stay tuned for it, okay? I guess that's all that we have for this unboxing. So If you enjoyed watching this unboxing video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!